Very good morning, 8th class students. I am Jagdish from Kakatiya High School, your math teacher. Our running topic is rational numbers. So in that today I am going to explain very important concept. Rational number between two rational numbers. Listen. Let A, B are two rational numbers. Let A, B are two rational numbers. Then rational number between A and B is. Let A, B are two rational number. Then a rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. Here one important question. Example. Find 6 rational numbers. Find 6 rational numbers between 4 and 6. Find 6 rational numbers between 4 and 6. So here I know only 2 rational numbers, that is 4 and 6. So between these 4 and 6 you have to find 6 rational numbers. Solution. First rational number. What is the formula? Let A, B are two rational numbers. A rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. Rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. So by using that concept, rational number between 4 and 6 is 4 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So between 4 and 6, what is the rational number? 5 is a rational number. So 4, 5 less than 6. So 5 is more than 5 and also less than 6. So 5 is a rational number between 4 and 6. But I need 6. Here only 1 completed. So you have to find remaining 5 rational numbers between 4 and 6. Rational number between 4 and 5 is 4 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Rational number between 4 and 5 is 4 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is a rational number between 4 and 5. 4. So 9 by 2 is more than 4 and also less than 5, less than 6. So 2 numbers are came. One is 9 by 2 and one is 5. Then after, third rational number. Rational number between 5 and 6. Rational number between 5 and 6 is 5 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 11 by 2. So 11 by 2 is a rational number between 5 and 6. So write that 11 by 2 between 5 and 6. 4, 9 by 2, 5, 11 by 2 and 6. So 11 by 2 is more than 5 and also less than 6. Then after, the fourth rational number. Rational number between 4 and 9 by 2. 4 and 9 by 2 is 4 plus 9 by 2 by 2 is equal. What is the LCM? 2 is LCM. So it is 4 into 2 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 8 plus 9 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 17 by 2. 17 by 2 is a rational number between 4 and 9 by 2. 17 by 2 is a rational number between 4 and 9 by 2. So 7 by 2 is more than 4 and also less than 9 by 2. 5 less than 11 by 2 less than 6. So next fifth one, number between 11 by 2 and 6 is equal to 11 by 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 2 is LCM. So 11 plus 12 by 2 is equal to 17 by 4. 17 by 4 is a rational number between 11.2 and 6. So 4, 17 by 2, 9 by 2, less than 5, less than 11 by 2. So 17 by 4 is more than 11 by 2 and also less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a process to find a rational number between two rational numbers. So in first case, that is very lengthy process. A plus b by 2, take the LCM, then after find. We have one alternate method also. This is very easy method. Same question I am taking here. Find 6 rational numbers between 4 and 6. Solution. What are the numbers given? 4 and 6. Here 4 and 6 are multiplied and divided. Multiplied and divided by 10. It means 4 into 10 by 10 and 6 into 10 by 10. 4 into 10, 40 by 10 and 60 by 10. 40 by 10 and 60 by 10. 40 by 10 is nothing but 4. 60 by 10 is also nothing but 4. Then after what will you get? 40 by 10, comma, 41 by 10. Comma 42 by 10, comma 43 by 10, comma 44 by 10, comma 45 by 10, up to we can write 60 by 10. So this is alternate method to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. What I did here, I took 4 and 6. 4 and 6 both are multiplied and also divided by 10. So it is 40 by 10 and 60 by 10. Then after 45 by 10 for three rational numbers between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Here next question, find three rational numbers between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6. We have two methods to find it. Now I am going to explain first method. Solution. Let A, B are two rational numbers. Let A, B are two rational numbers. Then a rational number. A rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. Here A, B are two rational numbers. Then A plus B by 2 is a rational number between A and B. Now first rational number. Rational number between -3 by 4 and 5 by 6 is -3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 by 2 is equal. What is the LCM here? 24 is an LCM. Is LCM. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. So it is going in 6 times. So it is -3 into 6 plus 6 1s are. With 6, 24 is going in 4 times. So 5 into 4 by 2 is equal. -6 3s are 18 plus 5 4s are 20 by 24 into 2 is equal to 2 by 24 into 2. 2 and 2 cancel. What is the answer? 1 by 24. So 1 by 24 is the rational number between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Minus 3 by 4. 1 by 24. So 1 by 24 is more than 2 minus 3 by 4 and also less than 2 5 by 6. Rational number between minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 24. Rational number between minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 24 is equal to minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 24 by 2. Here what is the LCM? 24 is LCM. In 4 table 24 going 6 times. So it is minus 3 into 6 plus 1 into 1 by 2 is equal. Minus 3 6 are 18 plus 1 into 1 1 by 24 into 2 is equal. Minus 17 by 48. So minus 17 by 48 is a rational number between minus 3 by 4 and also 1 by 24. So it is minus 3 by 4. Minus 17 by 48 is more than 2 minus 3 by 4 and also less than 2 1 by 24 less than 5 by 6. Now here third rational number. Rational number between 1 by 24 and 5 by 6 is 1 by 24 plus 5 by 6 by 2 is equal. The LCM of 24 and 6 is 24. So it is 1 into 1 plus 24 is going 4 times in 6 table. So 6 into 5 into 4 by 2 is equal. 1 ones are 1 plus 5 fours are 20 by 24 into 2 is equal to 21 by 48. So these are the required rational numbers. Minus 3 by 4, minus 17 by 48, 1 by 24. So 21 by 48 is a rational number between 1 by 24 and also 5 by 6. So write the 21 by 48 between 1 by 24 and 5 by 6. Find the three rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Second method. So what are the given here? Minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Here what is the denominators? 4 and 6. LCM are 4 and 6 is 24. LCM of 4 and 6 is 24. Then minus 3 by 4 into 6 by 6 and 5 by 6 into 6 by 6. Minus 3 6 are 18 by 24 and 5 6 are 30 by 4 by 4. 5 4s are 20 by 24. What we can write here? Minus 18 by 24 comma minus 19 by 24 comma minus 20 by 24 up to we can write plus 20 by 24. Are numbers between 4 and 8. Find the three rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 4 by 3.